everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Cancer, let's see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let's see, Cancer, major changes in your life ngayong 2024. Okay, so that is in your 11th house of your community. Mga pangarap. So, ngayong 2024, magpo-focus kayo sa inyong pangarap. Yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve sa buhay. Kasi kung dati, hindi kayo masyadong parang medyo sinet aside nyo yan, no? Na i-pursue, na nasa isip nyo lang, pero wala kayong ginagawang action. I think ngayong 2024, you will have this realization na it has to be you, na kailangan ikaw yung mag-take action, na hindi mo kailangan hintayin yung opportunity na bigla na lang darating sa'yo. Ikaw yung maghahanap ng opportunity na yan. So, this is a very, Aquarian energy, no? Aquarius energy. So, you have Uranus, Aquarius in the 11th house. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are into science or mahilig kayo sa mga experiments or mga innovation, ayan, or technology, maaring isa yan sa ipupursue ninyo. Magpo-focus rin kayo sa pag-educate ng sarili ninyo sa maraming bagay, especially sa mga changes na nangyayari sa technology or sa collective, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be part of a certain group na magiging very active sa community. Pwedeng community service. Okay? You also have Elhaz. So, this is about following your instincts and taking control of your situation by taking care of yourself as well. So, mas magiging maingat sa mga papasukin mo, sa mga decision making mo, and you will always follow your instinct. Kasi marirealize mo na malakas ang iyong intuition. So, yun yung magiging guide mo para makapag-decide ng best for you. You also have Othila. So, Othila is about inheritance. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong mamanahing lupain or bahay or kagamitan, ari-arian from your ancestors, from your parents, lolo, lola. And this might require you to move or to parang like lumipat ng bahay or mag-travel para asikasuhin yung inheritance na yon. Yung iba naman sa inyo, merong mga reunion, no? Na sobrang tagal nyo nang hindi nakikita ng mga tao sa buhay ninyo. So you will be reaching out to them or vice versa. But I see you traveling a lot ngayong 2024. Going to different places, meeting your mga matatagal ng kaibigan na hindi nyo na nakikita, meeting people, family na hindi nyo na nakikita. So I think you will be reaching out more sa yung community. Whether sa family yan or mga friends, I think you will gain more friends ngayong 2024. You will be connecting more sa collective, and at the same time, you also have to protect your energies kasi the more na mas exposed ka sa maraming tao, the more na mas magiging prone ka sa psychic attacks or mga energies na you don't want to be absorbed, no? Na ma-absorb mo yan. So, you have to be careful and protective rin of your energies. Let's see, ano pa? Three of Cups, yes. A lot of friends, connections for 2024. You will meet new people na mga yung tinatawag na soul family. You also have the Emperor. So, planning things ahead for your future. Building a very solid foundation for your family and for your finances. So, some of you, maaring makakatagpo kayo ng mga kaibigan or connections that will help you grow your finances. Maaring mabibigyan kanila ng influence or may impluwensyahan kanila to start a business or magkaroon ng mas stable na pananaw sa buhay pagdating sa pera. You also have the Page of Cups. Meron ka rin mga ipupursue na creative talents and skills. Kumbaga sisimulan mo siya kahit maliit lang, no? Halimbawa, magaling kang magluto, no? And realize mo na this is your talent. Marami nakaka-appreciate ng niluluto mo, no? Ng mga recipes mo. And then you will start to sell yung mga dishes na niluluto mo, or mag-open ka ng cafeteria, ng restaurant, things like that. Or pwede rin gagawa ka ng content about food, about cooking, things like that. Or anything related to your talents and skills. Merong mga tao that will try to criticize you, especially kung mas magiging exposed ka nga, mas maraming network, mas marami kang nare-reach. So, you have to be more compassionate, and at the same time, meron ka ring self-control about what you will have to say, no? Yung mga sasabihin mo, kasi pwede rin yan na, minsan pag nagpadala ka sa emotions mo, makapagsalita ka ng hindi maganda, so it may just result to conflict, no? With the Chariot, some of you ay, meron kayong ma-acquire na property like kotse, ganyan, sasakyan, or travel opportunities. So, ang main energy ninyo, travel, connecting with other people, new friends, being part of a group, starting a business na related sa inyong creative talents. Inner child, ayan, don't take life too seriously. So, I think this is a very playful energy para sa inyo. Kasi ang energy ng child is being creative, diba? So, I think you will tap into your creative talents. And then, grounding. So, ito yung nabanggit ko rin sa inyo kanina, related to dun sa, wag niyong hayaan na maapektuhan kayo, magpa-apekto kayo sa emotions ninyo, kasi emotions natin, nagbabago yan. So, mas kayo, grounded. Listen up. You are working through deep soul patterns. Release any outdated beliefs that surface. Okay. Yung mga mga bagay na alam nyong hindi na kayo nagbe-benefit from it. You might be releasing that or letting go of that to attract new energies para merong mga bagong experiences na dumating sa inyo. Merong deep soul pattern. So, pwedeng yung mga cycle sa buhay nyo na alam nyong hindi na siya beneficial or nakakatulong sa inyo. Pwedeng unhealthy habits na hindi nyo makat-cut. Ngayon 2024, you are finally cutting that, releasing that. O yung mga bisyo or anything na may pagka-destructive sa inyo. So, you're releasing that. Because you want to be more healthier at mas marami kang energy na matupad yung mga goals and dreams mo for 2024. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.